Welcome to my channel, Blend with Bunty. In this continuation of our character rigging journey in Blender, we pick up right where part 1 left off, but this time we're tackling the process without the crutch of professional add-ons. We'll be meticulously guiding you through each step, ensuring your character comes alive with smooth and natural movement. First things first, we'll strategically select the entire body mesh along with its underlying skeleton. This preps the scene for the creation of a robust rig, the very foundation of animation magic. Once that's in place, we'll delve into the world of weight painting, a crucial step that assigns influence over specific mesh areas to different bones in the rig. The video will explore two popular weight painting methods: heatmaps, which can be a good choice for simpler clothing, and Voxel Heat, a powerful technique that shines when dealing with complex outfits with multiple pieces. Since your character seems to be sporting some stylish duds, we'll be focusing on the latter approach in this part. After meticulously painting weight values, we'll seamlessly bind the character's skin to the newly created rig. This binding process essentially tells Blender which parts of the mesh are controlled by which bones, ensuring that every wiggle and jiggle translates perfectly from the rig to the character's appearance. To make sure this connection is flawless, we'll employ a technique called pose testing. By putting your character through a series of movements, we can identify areas where the weight painting might need some fine-tuning. The video will demonstrate how to address minor weight distribution issues with the arms. But don't worry, a deep dive into the art of weight painting is slated for part 3, so you'll have ample opportunity to master this essential skill. Once we're satisfied with the weight distribution and the character's overall responsiveness to the rig, we'll enable inverse kinematics, or IK for short. This nifty tool helps achieve more natural and realistic limb movements, especially for complex poses. Finally, we'll take a close look at every aspect of the rig, making any final adjustments necessary. This might involve fine-tuning the eye rotation or ensuring a flawless smile. Coming in a future part, it's important to remember that perfection is a journey, not a destination. The creator acknowledges that while the rig might not be absolutely flawless at this stage, it certainly lays a strong foundation for future animation. The good news is that it functions well, and with the upcoming parts of this series, we'll take your character rigging skills to the next level. Part 3 will be your weight painting playground, where you'll learn how to create those expressive facial features and address any lingering leg bending issues. So stay tuned and get ready to witness your character blossom into a masterpiece of animation.
From here onward, you can see the legs movement are very perfect because the modeling was very good. I try my best to use as good subdivision as possible. So whenever you are modeling, your main aim should be that this body will be squished up. Squishing the movement, because human body is very much human body is very much flexible. I'm trying to check the dancing style of this character, squishiness, the eyes, the head. The head, as I told you many times, it's very important for the natural look. And also with Alt G, Alt R, Alt S, you can easily make it reset the pose. Now I'm checking the talking style of this character, the smile, the cheeks, the upper lip, the eyebrow shut top and eyebrow shut lower lids. So I think this character needs a little bit refined touching, and then you will see maybe in next video I will finally make it clear how to fix this character, and your rig will be perfect, and then we will make poses. For time being, I think now we require a little bit weight painting to adjust this character, because with the movement of the face and the lips, the lower body start moving. So we need to adjust these things. Otherwise, this is perfect, and I like this character now. Thank you for watching. Feel free to comment on this video.